Hi, good morning, good evening. I'm not sure when you're watching this. My name is Telly. I'm with Dynamic Lead Generation Solutions. We spoke earlier, Miguel. Gave you my phone number, some contact information. I got your contact information. We talked about making a website. You said you're just starting your business, and that's awesome. I've been wanting to get my business off the ground officially for some time now, and that's why I was there registering it with the city of San Antonio. From there I went over to IRS to get my EIN number, and hopefully this week I'll be getting a business bank account. Anyway, it was nice to meet you. It was my pleasure getting to know you a little bit, getting to know a little bit about what you do. Now, this is my website. I deal in digital marketing. That's basically lead generation, where help companies, especially startup companies, get leads. You know, it is vital to your business. The important thing is that everybody has a peak season, and everybody has a slow season. I think you're probably busy pretty year-round if you do heating as well. One of the things I want to show you that I can do on your website is not only have a slider of certain videos or certain services that you have here on your website that I want to propose to you. You can have the contact information here where they can contact you, submit it, goes right to your email or to an autoresponder. You can also have a video. For example, here's a video of mine. We'll listen to that for a few seconds there while that gets going. And this one here is obviously on digital marketing. So it just depends how fast your computer is. Right now I got a Okay, so there's a little bit short video of what we do. Some of the businesses, services that we do: web design, SEO, Google My Business. Google My Business and web design are, I think, two of the more important things when you have in any business. Later you go into lead generations, reputation management. That's going to help you with your Google Maps or Google My Business. SEO on your website, very important, getting that ranked. The other thing I mentioned to you is local video marketing. Oh, that's so important. You can get a video up with a phone number and start generating leads right away on Google. Or let's say it's pretty easy to do depending on how competitive your job niche is. Also, I do call tracking. Is it working? Well, let's track the calls. Let's record the calls. Let's see. So it's a lot of services that I do offer. I'm going to leave you with my website address for you to go and peruse my website. This video is actually not really about me and my website, but I wanted to show you what this does. Okay, I wanted to show you what your website will look like. Okay, this is the website here, right here. Obviously, it'll be your logo. Okay, if you like this, you can keep this. If not, we can make you a logo. I also do logos. Simple logos, about $50. You know, I'll make a design that you agree to, and then it's yours. You have every right to it. You have the right to that logo. It'll be unique like no other. Okay, all right. That's if you need a logo. If you got one, great. I can use the one you have. Here, you're gonna have some sliders. Okay, any of this can be changed. These are just basic pictures. Okay, here is where a customer can come and put their name, their phone number, their email, some comments as to maybe what they need done. They want to book an appointment, and then they follow this right here real quick just to make sure that this is where they can book an appointment, what date, and then here make sure they're not a robot, and hit submit. Goes to your email, so you get notified. Okay. The type of services that you offer. Now, I'm sure you do AC repair, and more likely you do heating as well. Some maintenance. I'm sure there's maintenance you're gonna have to do. Sometimes after you repair an AC, as you know, right? You'll probably have to go and they'll need maintenance. You know, keep it clean, keep you coming year round, right? And duct cleaning. You may do some duct cleaning, you may not. Just depends on what your business is. But all of this can be edited. If you do it, I would leave it the way it is, because this website is designed for Google to pick it up. It has certain basic features in certain places so that Google will like it the way it's written. It's written for it to rank on Google, okay? So that Google can start looking at it. It likes the way it's written, okay? So these websites that I create for you are going to be professionally made. They're going to look like this, and they're going to be optimized, SEO optimized, search engine optimization is what it's called. All that means is that it needs to get ranked, certain things to be in place in a certain order. But yet, if you want something edited, it can be. Basically, if you were to go to heating right here, it would go into the page that would describe what your service is. Okay, they want to know about AC service, duct cleaning, maintenance. Here it's going to go into heating. We clicked on heating. You can have a picture. Any picture can be placed here. This is what's called a click to call. Okay, or let's say a call to action. We continually want to call them to action. Keep them to mind. Call me. Free estimates. Call me. Okay, you need this. Call me. Okay, you couldn't tell them enough what to do. When it comes to customers, let me tell you something. You need to tell them what to do. You cannot just leave it on them. Well, here's my estimate. No, call me. Okay, so when am I going to hear from you? You're going to call me, right? That's very important. Some of these customers know they need your service. They need you also to tell them what to do, like to call you. Okay, so here's some of the things or services that you provide. These can be edited, you know, with heat, ventilation, HERS, flooring, furnaces. This is heating. Remember, this is heating. Okay. Here, so they can contact you. We have that on every page. Okay. And then at the bottom of every page, we want to remind them why they need to call us. Here we can put what you like, how to contact you, your address, your telephone number, your website address. You want to always brand yourself with that. You want to brand yourself with the website address. And then you have your service area. Okay, maybe it's Bexar County, Alamo Heights, anything within Bexar County. Maybe you want to put outside of Bexar County $100 more of a charge, whatever it is, your contact information. And what I like about this is that here they are looking at where you're at, and they, as opposed to where they're at. So once we put in the information, and this will start moving around and zeroing in, targeting on where you're at. This is good for Google. Google likes this. Okay, this is how they can, when they put in AC repair near me, okay, and you're near them, guess who's popping up? Okay, you are. Okay, so that's important for SEO. Okay, so let me go back to the home page, and I'm going to show you what else we have on the home page. I just want to show you the different services that we could put on here for you that you may want to offer. Okay, at the bottom of every page there's going to have also reviews. Okay, these are called business listings. Miguel, when you're ready, we can do this. This is very important that you get listed with all these business listing search engines. Okay, I can do that for you. That is a service. We can talk about that after the website is up. After your website is up, this is what you want to do. You want to sign up with these business listings. I can sign you up. There's about 65 of them that I can sign you up very quickly. But we could talk about that later. Here we would set up your reviews. I'm sure by now you have clients, customers that are happy to put a review, and you give them to me, and I can put them in there for you. 4 or 5 star them, turn around, put them in here for the customers that come to your website can read them. Okay. Also, we're always going to have the why us, the contact, the service area. Okay. Privacy policy is already installed. Terms of service. About us, we can go ahead and put in, tell me something about you, your company, how long you've been in business, your license, whether or not you're insured. Also, you know, how some of the benefits of why they should use you, whether it's family owned. We can put all this. Is called your bio. Okay, about us, your mission statement. Okay, and then here in the bottom, of course, your street address. Okay, all rights reserved. So definitely a very, very nice website. It's got everything you need on a mobile website. All of these buttons are click to call. They press it and it calls you. Okay, more and more. We're looking at maybe right now 60% of the people that search businesses are doing it on their mobile phone. Okay, what's happening with mobile phones right now is that about a year ago, I think it's called the Penguin. Google called it the Penguin upgrade. It may mean nothing to you, but Google said that any business that has a website will not be ranked on first page Google unless they have a mobile website. Okay, this changed everything. Okay, it was good and it was bad. For customers or businesses out there that did not have a mobile website, they just fell off the search engines. Okay, it was bad for them. For those who are coming on to business and have a mobile website, well, they're now beating them in the search engines. So it was quite a dynamic shift, like a paradigm shift. Okay, so I make sure that every website I create has a mobile website. What happens is that when you're on a mobile device and you go to the URL, okay, you go to dynamicleadgenerationsolutions.com, okay, the internet knows you're on a mobile phone, so it redirects you automatically to a mobile website. It's two websites, it's not the same website. If it was the same website, you'd have to scroll all the way to the left, to the bottom, to the top, to the right, and Google says that's too much. We want people who are searching for websites to go to websites that are mobile ready. If not, they're not going to get ranked. I make sure all my websites are mobile ready, and so will yours be as well. So you're going to get two websites for the price of one. One, a standard website, and one's going to be a mobile website. Now in the next video, I'm going to show you a demonstration of this mobile website. Okay, look at the last video there, and then that should be good. Okay.